All right, y'all. We're out here on a windy day, October 23rd, doing some pipe fence out here in windy Oklahoma. Just wanted to shoot a quick video, show everybody what's going on. Been welding this 2 7/8 up. Put the top rail on it. Customer didn't want a right angled corner, so we did this kind of 45'd off. There's a little more work making these miters right here, but other than that, you know, what's the difference? At the time, couldn't find the right kind of clips. All I could find was these big ones, so we're using bigger clips. Just costs a few more cents per clip, but all in all, I think I like them better. This side here, I had a real sharp bend up there at the top. I couldn't help it. I don't know how you get around that right there. That one. There's another one up there. But coming up this hill, you know, I don't know how to make it any less drastic, but customer likes it. We got to finish some paint. Next week we're going to finish the paint on this right here. We're going to finish painting this side down here before I put cables on. That right there is our spool tool. It's a reel that you set it on there and unspool it with. I'll show you all that in another video. We're gonna put a gate in right there. We're gonna do that next week. That'll be another video. So y'all check back with me. Y'all have a good one.